In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto-remove silence in CapCut using the easiest free methods available right now. Whether you want to clean up long pauses, speed up your edits, or make your videos feel more professional, this guide will help you do it fast without wasting time trimming every gap manually. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut and video editing tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump into the first method. The first option is the free Auto-Workaround using Auto Captions. This is a smart way to find pauses quickly using CapCut's text-based tools, so you can remove silence much faster than doing it all by hand. Start by importing your video into CapCut. Just drag your video clip onto the main timeline track. Once it's loaded, you want to go to the text menu in the top left panel. From there, click Auto Captions. Choose the language that matches your video and then click Generate. CapCut will analyze the audio and create captions based on what is being said. Once that process is complete, open the Text or Transcript tab. Depending on your version of CapCut, you may see a Captions tab next to the player, or you may find it inside the text module. This is where the magic happens. As you go through the transcript, you'll start seeing gaps and pauses in the text. These are the silence sections you want to remove. Click directly on the silence or pause marker inside the text script, and then press Delete. CapCut will automatically slice your main timeline video track and remove that exact blank space for you. This is super helpful because instead of hunting down every pause visually, you can use the transcript as a shortcut. It is especially useful for talking head videos, tutorials, interviews, and content where there are lots of small breaks in speech. Now there is one very important thing to keep in mind. Since auto captions can be a pro feature in some versions of CapCut, you may need to remove it before exporting if you're using a free account. So after you finish using the transcript to find and delete silence, make sure you double-check your project and remove anything that would require a paid export if needed. Now let's move on to the second method, which is the traditional fast manual workflow. This is the best free option if your video has big pauses at the beginning, at the end, or between sections, and you want full control over the edit. First, make sure your timeline audio tracks are showing waveforms. The waveform is the visual audio pattern that helps you see where sound is happening. When you see flat lines, that usually means silence. So if your timeline looks too simple or flat, turn on the waveform so you can clearly identify those silent sections. Next, zoom in on the timeline. You can use the zoom slider at the bottom of the timeline, or on some systems you can use Ctrl and plus on Windows, or Command and plus on Mac. Zooming in makes it much easier to spot the exact start and end points of silence, so you can cut more accurately. Now, move your playhead to the start of the flatline section. When you find the point where the audio drops into silence, press Ctrl and B on Windows or Command and B on Mac to split the clip. Then move your playhead to the end of that silent section and split again. Once the silent section is isolated, select that empty slice and press Backspace or Delete. CapCut will remove it and the rest of the video will snap together automatically. That ripple-style movement is what saves you a lot of time because you do not have to drag everything back manually. This manual method is especially useful for long pauses at the start or end of a video, or for sections where you already know there is dead air. It gives you a lot of control and works great even if you do not want to rely on captions. So to quickly recap, if you want a faster text-based method, use auto captions to identify pauses and delete silence from the transcript. If you want the most reliable free method, use your waveform, zoom in, split the silent section, and ripple delete it from the timeline. That's the easiest way to auto-remove silence in CapCut and clean up your videos for a more polished final result. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.